Hopefully I'm not breathing too heavy in my camera. Oh, that breeze feels good. I think the humidity skyrocketed. Oh, I just pulled a muscle in my neck. Ow. You know those ones where you twist your neck a little too fast or something and it shoots pain all the way up the side of your head? Yeah, that'll go away in a minute, I hope. I'm going to try something new today. A different route. The stretch that I plan on taking, I hope the speed is well within my range. I have no idea. I do know I'm going downhill though. Oh hey, cool. So pretty down here. After I take this adventure, I guess I'll just find my way back home. See, I can go downhill. Oh, this is fun. Look at that view. Oh, cool. My speed limit. I had no idea if it was like 35, 40. I was hoping it wasn't like 45. I don't need to make people mad. Oh, look at all the trees. I'm not getting on the freeway, don't worry. See what happens. Yeah. Oh, it's 20 miles an hour here? Okay. I better behave myself. Huh. I haven't been down this way in years. Just wanted to change it up a little bit, you know. You will not see me going up that hill, that's for sure. It's fun, fun. On my own. Oh, there's McMinimans. Okay. That is so cool. Well, there goes that. Shawn wants to go there, check out some motorcycles. Just a friendly reminder, I'm getting my endorsement next year. I might just keep this trip short. I like doing my time lapse, even if nobody really likes them. I like editing videos. I'm just trying to get better at it when I have the time. But I'll see what I can do with this long form footage and dink around with that. Just ziggy zaggies. Under the bus. I just want to have fun. I just want to laugh. It's always better to laugh with friends if you have them. Have good times with friends if you got them. Y'all let me know what that's like. In the meantime, I am friends with me, myself, and I. See, this is what I'm talking about. Familiar routes. You just never know what you're gonna see. They'll look like e-bikes. Shawn wants to get me an e-bike for commuting to work. Oh, hey. They both wave. That makes my day. Guess I'll just keep riding until I need to use the bathroom or something. I don't know. It's a toasty day, though. I feel warm air going through my jacket. It's supposed to hit like 82 or something, which later in the summer, that's not really warm. It's actually comfortable. Yeah, I need to get a new summer jacket. I'm baking. I'm a baked potato. Okay. Jeez Louise, people. Yep, time to wake up. Really don't have a lot to talk about. And I do. And I don't. I don't know, I have a headache. Probably stems from pulling my muscle. Go home and get stuff done, have a cold drink, and forget about the world. Okay, that makes my ride. See? Maybe the same old boring routes, but you just don't know what you're gonna encounter, what you're gonna see, what you're gonna get. Oh, hey. Yeah. I made a friend. That always makes me smile. I needed that today. I needed that real bad. Stop. Go. What? Okay. He just wants to watch me ride or be on my camera. My tush cam. Okay day. Wee, I still love those trees.